Seattle Approach Skylane 456 Delta Juliet request.
Skylane 456 Delta Juliet, Seattle Approach, go ahead.
We're about 8 miles south of Payne Field at 2200. I'd like to pick up the IFR on file from Payne to Friday Harbor.
456 Delta Juliet, squawk 4760, maintain VFR for now.
4760, maintain VFR 456 Delta Juliet.
Garmin 456 Delta Juliet, your radar contact, 7 miles south Payne Field, 2200, Seattle altimeter 3022.
3022, that checks, 456 Delta Juliet.
6 Delta Juliet, you're cleared to Friday Harbor via direct, climb and maintain 4000.
Clear to Friday Harbor, direct, climb maintain 4000, 456 Delta Juliet. Would be approach Skylane 456 Delta Juliet 4000.
Skylane 456 Delta Juliet would be approach, altimeter 3019. Say approach request in the Friday Harbor Airport.
3019, like the straight-in approach to runway 34 GPS Friday Harbor 456 Delta Juliet.
Skylane 6 Delta Juliet, proceed direct J-Volk.
Direct J-Volk 456 Delta Juliet. There's always turbulence right here because this is the convergence zone. It's where the winds come from the southwest. They follow, this is the Olympic Mountain, Olympic National Forest there. Coming through here, but they also come through the Strait of San Juan de Fuca. And basically they converge right here. There's always a few bumps there if it's a southwest wind. It is today.
Skylane 6 Delta Juliet, across J-Volk at or above 2000, cleared straight in on runway 34 approach.
Cross J-Volk at or above 2000, clear for the straight in approach 456 Delta Juliet. Okay, so we are 5 minutes from J-Volk. Top of descent that it's programming me for is here, but that's with vertical speed of 724, so I'm going to change that to 550, which is I like that one. That moved it back to here. So we'll change this to 2000. Hit the approach button and the VNAV button. So here it says Glidepath is armed, VNAV is armed. And we're supposed to go 2000 at J-Volk, at or above, but we'll just go 2000 at J-Volk. Just going to slow down a little bit. Bring up the approach plate. Is approach approach plate looks better. Better than the approach plate here, I think. It's a little, this one is a little slow. This one's snappier.
Vertical track.
Just a little, I don't know, a little crisper. Okay, that was a minute from my vertical track. See the VNAV plug coming in there. It's set at 550 to 2,000 feet. Our minimums here, 467. Shows up here. Guess I didn't change the altimeter setting. He gave it to me, and I know it's 1.8, but also
Rampage 11, descend to maintain 4,000.
I will listen to it.
6 Delta Juliet across J-Bulk at about 2,000, cleared straight in. Rampage 11, fly heading. Rampage 11, X-Speed. Rampage 11, Epic. Rampage 11, Epic. Rampage 11, change my frequency. Rampage 11 would be Empire 4699. Skyline 6 Delta Juliet, proceed direct J-Bulk. Skyline 456 Delta Juliet would be approach. Altimeter 3019. Stay approach request in the Pearl Harbor Airport.
That's one way to do it. But normally I would just get it off of the data page. Okay, we got now just the wind's changed. Lower right now. 16 knot crosswind, no tailwind. We're in a descent. So J-Bulk is the initial fix. The Fuka is the final approach fix. So you have to use VNAV for any point before the final approach fix.
Rampage 11, turn right direct Bobby, cross Bobby at about 3,000.
As opposed to just expecting the approach button to do it for you. Right now I've got two cameras going.
Thunder 11, we'll do departure radar contact.
On the left side, and it's already yellow, is the GoPro 11 on standard 4K. And on the right is the Osmo Action 5 on 4K Rocksteady with kind of the standard view. All right, minute 37 to J-Bulk. Say time to destination.
1607 Zulu ETA at destination.
Say ETE destination.
6 minutes 31 seconds ETE to destination.
Start listening to Friday Harbor with staff monitoring that.
Thunder 11, contact South Center, local channel 7.
Okay, I'm turning pitot heat on. Getting into the rain here. And on this one, yep,
Rampage 11, raise frequency.
it's not showing because I have it zoomed out. Okay, missed approach instructions. Climb straight ahead to 1,000, then right turn to 5,000 direct island and hold. .200 feet to the altitude. Okay, so it nailed it. VNAV nailed it. We're turning inbound 2,000 feet. Hold there until we Glidepath should activate next. I'm going to put this on traffic.
North Harbor traffic, San Juan 4, north side of Orcas, about 10 miles to the west, inbound for left downwind, runway 7, North Harbor.
Calling 6 Delta Juliet, change to advisory frequencies, approved port IFR cancellation in the air, and the frequency on the deck via Seattle radio.
Change to advisory approved. We'll report with you or on deck, 456 Delta Juliet. So DeFuca, basically in this plane, I put the gear down and 10 degrees of flaps. I'm going to start slowing down a little bit because we got 2 minutes. Gear down, 10 degrees of flaps, and manifold pressure somewhere around 15 inches, 2,000 RPMs for a 100 knot speed on the descent. And of the precision numbers, gives you about 500 feet. Right now we got a 6 knot tailwind, so that will factor in. $11 seconds. Power's down. Glidepath not quite there. For us to go down a little bit. Alright, now we're heading down. 15 inches, 10 degrees. Gear down. Okay, we broke out. We'll wait just a little longer. Right over traffic, Skyline 6 Delta is coming up on the Shoreline American Camp for 3-4. Planning to do a right downwind for 1-6 when I break out a little more. Friday Harbor. Okay. We're at 1,500 feet. Got to get below this cloud here and then we'll break it off. Call Whidbey.